Local news for Wednesday the 3rd of October. Tomorrow, one of Transit Group's EV double-deckers will be in Masterton ahead of the Wairarapa Awards. Transit Director Paul Snowgrove said the bus is one of the first fully electric double-deckers in the Southern Hemisphere, currently operating in Wellington. Transit will offer free rides on their electric double-decker bus between 10 and 2 tomorrow, departing Transit every 20 minutes. Featherston's Booktown success has been recognised by the International Organisation of Booktowns. The IOB has voted unanimously to make Featherston Booktown a full member of the global organisation, joining 21 other full-member booktowns stretching across Europe, Asia and Australia. The 5th Featherston Booktown Festival will take place over the weekend of the 10th to the 12th of May 2019. And in sport, Masterton's Tracy Stringer has been selected as a New Zealand participant in a Trans-Tasman exchange for female motorsport officials. Now in its third year, the exchange is organised by Women in Motorsport Advisory Commission of Motorsport New Zealand with their Australian counterparts. The Women of Australian Motorsport to assist female motorsport officials expand their knowledge of the sport and recognise their contributions to motorsport.